Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are safe and healthy. Welcome to Virtual Learning. Today we are going to continue with the chapter number 5, Drawing with MS Paint. We have completed half part of the chapter in the previous lecture. Now we will continue with it. Image selection. In Paint, we might want to make changes in a part of a picture or an object. To do this, you need to select that part of the picture you want to change. To make the changes, first you have to click on the which option? Select option. With this option, we can select the rectangular areas of an image. How we can select the rectangular areas in Paint? Let us see. You have to first select the part of the picture or a rectangular area by clicking the select tool in the image group. You can see on the screen, this is select option. You have to first select on that and then from the options given, you have to click on the rectangular selection. Then drag the pointer to the selected part of the picture you want to work with. In this way, the select option is used. Then next is clipboard menu. Clipboard menu offers three options, that is cut, copy and paste. Only after the selection is made, you can use cut and copy icons will be in use. You can move or copy a part of an image or an entire image once it has been selected. The cut option removes the selected part from the original place. The copy option copies the selected part but does not remove it from its original place. You can insert the cut or copied part anywhere by using paste option. If you use a cut option, it will remove that part from the screen. But when you use copy option, what it will do? It will copy that part, but it will not remove it from its original place. Then next you have to follow some steps for using clipboard menu. First is select the part of an image you want to cut or copy. Then click on the home tab. In that, click on the cut option or copy option in the clipboard group, whichever you want. Select the paste in the clipboard group. Then the cut or copied part will be appeared on the top left corner of the drawing area. Then you have to click and drag the pasted image to the position you want to keep it. You can paste the cut or copied image as many as time you want. The shortcut key for copy is Ctrl plus C. For paste is Ctrl plus V. And for cut is Ctrl plus X. Cut and copied part of the image is stored in a temporary place called clipboard. Clipboard is a place where cut and copied images are stored for temporary basis, that is for the short timing period. Thank you.